tell us specifically about, what this automation is about.
This is actually used by many companies, so this is not like unique to me or my company. And it's continuous integration and deployment, and it's very popular among companies that follow the lean development methods. But in the beginning, the first years of Jotform, we didn't have that. Like it would take us like 6 months to release our products, and it would be a big event, and like customers would revolt because like we would have like so many bugs and we would change so many things that they wouldn't like. And so from moving from there to continuous integration and deployment made a huge difference for us because now we are only releasing gradual, like small changes, and if something breaks, we are quickly aware of it and we can fix it quickly. And so we are using things like Jenkins. So anytime a developer actually makes a commit, and then it's getting reviewed by there is pull request, it's getting reviewed, but right after that, it's going to be released on our app. And we have all these automated testing that checks for everything, like unit tests and all these other tests are being applied, and it goes automatically and becomes live automatically. And we also do the same for the enterprise as well. Enterprise goes a little bit later. The regular version actually becomes live pretty quickly, and we had that since like 2010. So it's been a long time, more than a decade, and it's been great. And automating things as much as possible allowed our team to become really developed our product much more easily, much more. When a new developer joins, on the first day, we ask that person to actually write some code and change something on Jotform, and that's like great. And it also makes sure that we actually are handling everything else. Like they're getting their computer on their first day, they have their accounts, so they can, like, everything is in order. And then on top of that, that developer actually makes a commit and then updates the Jotform product. Like it could be like a spelling change or like something like that. They make a change, and they see that it's not a big deal. Like they can also how we develop quickly, and how we care about automating everything as much as possible. And so we also apply the similar principles to like testing. For example, we use Test.io, which is like a crowd testing platform. And then when we want something to be tested, we send it to them, and then all this crowd goes and finds all these problems on different browser types, and then sends to us. And so we are aware of all the problems. And we do usertesting.com. Also, we use a lot that we get feedback from people about the changes we make. And we try to apply automation to every part of our product development as well. And that resulted in it's not just about making it faster. It's also about the developer productivity and happiness, like preventing burnout. And when you have to wait like 3 months or 6 months for a release, it's just it's kind of stressful. The launch day is a big event, but when you're continuously deploying your product, it's not an event. The new version is not a big event. So it's been working so well so far for us, and we continue to automate everything as much as possible.